Okay, so we start off with the first part, finding what point D, which is the middle point. So of course you do your simple equation, you get 1 comma 2 for point D, right? So it's right here, if you need to see it on paper. Those are the points. Now we go to step 2, finding what kind of triangle. So you know this equation for your triangle. Distance equal exactly that. Then you go to AB, because it's point A to B is where the half point is. Okay. Which then you get, actually not half point. So AB is one angle, BC, then AC. So as you can see, AB line is exactly as BC, 2 square root 10. So now we find side AC is 4 square root 5, and it gives us this. So we know it's an isosceles triangle, 2 equal sides. Here's it written here. If you need to see it on paper, you can pause. And now we get to this part, the second part. So they give you the equation, area equals half of base times height. So we know base of AC is 4 square root 5. So you already know what the base is. The base is 4 square root 5. So now we need to find the height, which is BD. First thing we do is find the slope. So the slope gives you this equation. When you're finding the slope, is you get x minus 2y plus 3. So that pretty much means A is 1, B is minus 2, and C is 3. Then you put it A square, which is 1 square, plus B, which is square root of minus 2. Okay? So because we're using point B, which is point B goes to the center of point D, that's the unknown, you get minus 1 comma 6, because we need the point B, not any other points. And we already know what A equals because of the above equation. And we know what B equals and C. So you get the distance equation, which is that. A x1 plus by1 plus C over square root AB, which then gives you 2 over 5. Now this automatically makes it into a positive if you're wondering what this does. So if it's a minus 10, it becomes 10 over 5, which is 2 over square root 5. So how did we get 2 over square root 5? If you follow this rule, rationalizing 10 over square root 5, you go right here. If you times it both by square root 5 equals square root 5 squared and 10 over square root 5. These cancel each other out, and it becomes, because square root and exponent becomes 5, because it cancels each other out, as you remember. So you have 10 over 5, 5 over 10, square root 5 becomes 2 over square root 5. So that's how you get it. So 10 over square root 5 equals 2 over square root 5. Okay, which you could see right here as I wrote it out. Okay? So we are able now, since we have all the information we need, we can answer the question. So we know the base, as it was told earlier, is 4 over square root 5. We know the height, 2 square root 5. So then it becomes 8 times 5 equals 20. I'll show you the long form. So we did get 80 to get 4 over square root 5. In case you're wondering, how did we get 4 over square root 5? Because it was square root 80. Square root 80 was from side A to C with that equation, the distance equation. Side A to C gives you 64 equals 80. but we want to simplify it. This is how you simplify it. 18 is equal to 16 times 5. 16 square root, 5 square root. We know that 16 is 4 times 5 square root. 4 over square root 5. So here is the equation on how to get 20. Half of those two numbers that we did goes down to this. Rewrote them. You factor them out. 4 times 2 is 8. Square root 5 times. We know that a times b equals square root ab. So a is square root 5. B is square root 5, which equals square root 25, which equals 5. This one is the equation for inside here. 8 times 5 is 40, so base is 40, so we know the height is 40. Area, sorry, not the height. So base times height is 40. Okay? Base times height is 40, and this is how you got it. Half of that is 20 square units. Best of luck. I doubt you understand.